Good day, my viewers. You are welcome to this channel, like where we used to teach ourselves what we can easily use our hand to do for the benefit of ourselves and for our family. If you are watching this channel for the first time or you are coming across us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like it, share it among your family and friends. It will be a benefit for you and for everybody that is watching this channel. If you are coming across us, don't forget to ask any question that you have question on our WhatsApp number 07034683425 or 08156288101, or you can chat with us, or you can comment on the down of any video you have question on. We'll respond to your question. Let me release this one. Is to regain your lost glory. It's just a bit. You use the something to bit. It's very easy. Go and get bag of witchcraft. Let it big like this. Bag of witchcraft. You can cook it inside any pot. Put it inside burning pot. Now put it inside big pot where you can cook it. It's cook. So put it inside big pot. Get white weed. White weed. Let it plenty. Put it on it. Yeah. Get one egg. Any type of egg. Commonly egg, you can use it. Put it on it. Hard water. Put it on the fire. Let it cook very well. When it cook, pour the water in one bath, in one keg that you can use it to bathe. If it's not enough, you can add a little water to it. So when you are ready to bathe it, let it cool down. Go to your bedroom. Pray to God for any loss of glory that is in your life that you did not know or understand yourself. Use that water to bathe. When you use water to bathe, take that egg, break it. It will have cooked. Break it and eat the egg. So by God grace, when you do it, you will never regret it. It's a very, very good work that you can be doing twice in a year. If you are doing it, your glory will restore. Once you do it, you know that you will understand through your dream that you have regained your lost glory. If you are watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like it, share it among your family and friends. Also chat with us on our WhatsApp number 07034683425 or 08156288101. That's our WhatsApp number. You can also comment on the comment side. We'll respond to your question. Ẹ kú dídí àsìkò gbogbo olólùfẹ́ wa. Ẹ kú yọ mẹ́ta kan ojú tẹ fún wo ní fọpọ̀ lọ́dọ̀. Wá sí ẹ̀ ń wà tàbí ẹsẹ̀ dàpọ̀ wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé àti bá subscribe ṣe ní àṣẹ náà yẹn. Like ẹ share gbogbo àwọn family and friends kó lè jẹ́ ìtàn yìí. Ẹ ká sáré ṣiṣẹ́ yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ ń wò wá, WhatsApp number ni láti béèrè question kan àbí kẹ́ ẹ ní ká bá iṣẹ́ kan 07034683425 or 08156288101. A máa dẹ́rìn lọ́yọ̀ sọ́kà. Tó bá dẹ̀ pé ẹ fẹ́ bá a sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fídíò kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́ ti wò ní tí ò yé ẹ comment sí abẹ́, a máa dẹ́rìn lọ́yọ̀ sọ́kà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ yìí. Iṣẹ́ gba ògo mi padà lọ́wọ́ gba ògo mi fún mi padà ní fún gbogbo ẹni tí ó rò pé wọ́n ti gba ògo lọ tàbí kò yé òun. Báwo lẹ ṣe máa ṣe? Iṣẹ́ ẹ kéré gan. Ẹ lọ wá epo ọ̀bọ̀ tó fẹ̀ díẹ̀, ẹ jù sínú ibi tẹ́ lè ti ṣe lágbo. Ẹ jù sí. Ẹ fi ewé ẹja kó pọ̀ dálé lórí. Ẹ bomi sí. Ẹ wá fi ẹyin lé lórí. Ẹyin agric ẹ lè lò. Wá ẹ sè dáadáa. Tó bá ti hó dáadáa, ẹ sè. Tó bá ti hó, ẹ mọ ẹyin síbì kan. Wá yọ omi yẹn. Tí ò bá tó, ẹ lè fomi díẹ̀ mix ẹ̀. Ẹ wá fi sanra ìgbẹ́ ìbádùn yẹn. Tó bá ti sanra tán, ẹ fọ́ ẹyin yẹn kẹ́ jẹ lé lórí. Kẹ́ gbàdúrà sí dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe ń wẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ fún ògo yín, fún àkólọ ògo yín kó padà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì máa ṣe ní lágbára Ọlọ́run. Tó bá ti ṣe, ẹ̀yin gan á rí pé láti ojú àlá lẹ tó máa rí pé ògo yín ti padà. Ìyanu á dé. Tó bá ní ìbéèrè kan tàbí kejì, ẹ má gbàgbé àti bá subscribe channel yìí. Ẹ like ẹ share gbogbo àwọn family and friends yín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ojú tẹ fún wo ní fọpọ̀ lórí ìnáwó. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.